In this video, we will go over how FortiNDR Cloud uses NetFlow data from FortiSwitch to detect threats. Here is the setup we will use in this demo. A compromised machine is connected to a FortiSwitch and will connect to a botnet infrastructure. FortiSwitch will generate NetFlow events from this connection data and send it over to FortiNDR Cloud. FortiNDR Cloud botnet feed detects this malicious connection and flags it in the FortiNDR Cloud portal. First, we will go over the setup of NetFlow in both FortiNDR Cloud Sensor and FortiSwitch. For FortiNDR Cloud Sensor, a NetFlow collector interface is assigned and an IP is configured for it. Once configured, we can enable the NetFlow collector in the FortiNDR Cloud Sensor as shown. For FortiSwitch, we will navigate to System and then Flow Export. Here, a NetFlow collector name and IP is provided. In terms of the NetFlow data, there are several customizations such as the format and the flow tracking level. Description of each level is shown. Moving to the compromised machine, we will connect to botnet infrastructure. The invalid response scene is expected because the server is designed to respond to a specific command from a botnet payload. The connection to the botnet infrastructure was successful. Moving over to FortiSwitch, we can see the connection data in FortiSwitch here, but it does not recognize the malicious nature of this botnet connection. Moving over to FortiNDR Cloud, we can see the detection for Fortinet botnet IP Intel match high confidence. We can click on the detection under the notable detection, or we can navigate to the detection tab as shown to the triggered detection. The detection Fortinet botnet IP Intel match high confidence detects botnet IPs identified by FortiGuard, which is updated daily with the latest active threats seen from FortiGuard labs. We can see the indicators that triggered the detection. Moving over to the events, we can see the detection is triggered based on NetFlow events. For additional information, we can navigate to the Intel tab. Here we can see additional information about the malicious IP such as first and last seen, FortiGuard web filtering rating, and a URL to navigate to obtain more information about the IP. A subset of NetFlow event fields are shown here. For the complete list of supported NetFlow fields, please refer to the FortiNDR Cloud documentation on Fortinet.com. FortiNDR Cloud leverages NetFlow data from FortiSwitch devices to identify and flag suspicious network traffic. FortiNDR Cloud not only includes the FortiGuard botnet feed but also integrates additional FortiGuard feeds, including proxy, Tor, spam, and phishing, which allow for detection of malicious activity through NetFlow data. FortiNDR Cloud's NetFlow capabilities are not limited to FortiSwitch devices. It can also accept and analyze NetFlow data from any third-party firewall or switch, providing consistent threat detection across multiple vendors. For more information, please reach out to your FortiNDR Cloud sales or account representative. This concludes our presentation on FortiNDR Cloud and its utilization of NetFlow data from FortiSwitch devices.